How do you deal with stress? How do you relax? What's your go-to when you feel overwhelmed or anxious? We all have our own ways of coping with stress, but sometimes we need a little bit of help, right? That's why I've compiled 24 of my favorite mindfulness and self-care techniques that will bring you immediate relief when you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Let's dive in. No. 1. Practice deep breathing. This is one of the most effective ways to calm down when you're feeling stressed. Deep breathing helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation. Inhale deeply through your nose, counting to 5, and exhale slowly through your mouth, also counting to 5. No. 2. Go for a walk. Exercise can help reduce stress hormones and improve your mood. Go for a walk in nature if possible, as this can have an even greater calming effect. Number 3, listen to music. Music has been shown to have a powerful effect on our emotions. Put on some calming music to help you relax. Number 4, get creative. Engage in a creative activity such as painting, drawing, or writing to help express your emotions and reduce stress. Number 5, spend time with loved ones. Talking to someone you trust about how you're feeling can be extremely helpful. They may not have all the answers, but just knowing that you're not alone can be comforting. No. 6. Give yourself a massage. Massage has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety while improving overall well-being. You can do a self-massage if you don't have access to a professional massage therapist. No. 7. Take a hot bath or shower. The heat from the water can help you relax and feel more comfortable. Add some Epsom salts to your bath to further aid in relaxation. No. 8. Read a book. Escape into another world for a while by reading a good book. This can help take your mind off your problems and allow you to relax. No. 9. Meditate. Meditation is a great way to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment. There are many guided meditations available online and through apps. Number 10, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool to help shift your focus from negative to positive. Write down a few things you're grateful for each day to help cultivate this mindset. Number 11, use essential oils. Certain essential oils like lavender and chamomile have relaxing properties. Use them in a diffuser or directly on your skin to promote calmness. No. 12. Spend time in nature. Being in nature has been shown to have a calming effect on our minds and bodies. Go for a hike, have a picnic, or simply take a walk in the park. Number 13. Practice yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress. No. 14. Limit caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant that can worsen anxiety and interfere with sleep. Try to limit your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. No. 15. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body and mind rest and recharge. No. 16. Set boundaries. It's important to set healthy boundaries with work, relationships, and other commitments. This can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and stressed. No. 17. Learn to say no. Saying no to extra commitments or requests can help prevent you from becoming overwhelmed. It's okay to prioritize your own needs and well-being. No. 18. Practice acceptance. Acceptance of yourself and others is key to reducing stress and anxiety. Accept the things you cannot change and focus on the things you can control. No. 19. Forgive yourself and others. Holding on to grudges and guilt can cause unnecessary stress. Forgive yourself and others to move forward and find peace. Number 20. Practice random acts of kindness. Helping others can be a great way to reduce stress and boost your mood. Do something nice for someone else, like buying them coffee or helping them with a project. Number 21. Laugh. Laughter is truly the best medicine. Watch a funny movie or spend time with friends who make you laugh. Number 22. Smile. Smiling can actually make you feel happier. So even if you don't feel like it, Try putting on a smile to see how it affects your mood. No. 23. Dance. Put on your favorite song and dance it out. This can help you express yourself and release any pent-up energy. And number 24, be mindful. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can help you focus on the here and now and reduce worries about the future or past. So there you have it, 24 mindfulness and self-care techniques that can bring you immediate relief when you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Remember, it's important to find what works best for you. Experiment with these techniques and see which ones help you relax and feel your best. Incorporate them into your daily routine to promote your overall well-being. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and techniques. Until next time, take care.